Today we'll talk about how can you enable lock screen orientation on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on options here. When you just click on options, it's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do, you just click here on appearance. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to lock screen orientation here, click in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean lock screen orientation, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking